How y'all doing, guys? So today we're going to be talking about success for the rest of your life. And the people who want success are the people who want to make a change, are the people who do stand to make a change and an impact for other people, serving in order to be served. What would your new gift look like? What color is the gift? How big is the package it arrived in? How would you describe the package? How did it make you feel? I know you're probably wondering how we talking about success and then to the new gift. The reason why is because everyone wants something. Everyone has something inside of them that they want. And I want you to visualize for your most part what you want for yourself. What do you see yourself having? What do you think success is and what success can bring you? What color is it? How big is the package it arrived in? How would you describe the package? How did it make you feel? Now think about it. And for all those people that want success, they obviously want everything that success can bring. So let's continue as you visualize. Success is a decision. Very simple. Just believe in yourself and where you are going. Success doesn't matter what position you are in. If you are in debt, if you are sad, mad, depressed, success is based on your self belief and confidence. Even if you don't know, just know you are successful now. The feeling is more powerful than a physical circumstance. The feeling is more powerful than a physical circumstance. This is powerful because it is all in your feeling. It's all in your feeling of what will bring you into the physical world. We're spiritual beings. We're not physical. Though we live in a physical body and we live in a physical world, we are spirit, as we are God. Every part that is within us is all connected together and is in wholesome. Everything is God. And if we have this power that God is infinite, then we can use this power to bring you and I anything we want. Because that is success, is visualizing what you want and having a worthy ideal or goal. Have the feeling of being successful, have the feeling of getting what you want, have the feeling of what it's like, and keep on to that feeling. Practice having that feeling for like 10 seconds. And the more you practice it, the more you will feel it, and the more you will manifest into your life, no matter the circumstance. This is what separates the believers from the non believers. If you can believe in yourself, then you can change everything that's around you because it all comes down to self belief. Imagine for a moment that it's tomorrow morning and you're just waking up. At the foot of your bed, you find a package. Excited, you tear the gold foil off of your present to reveal the gift inside. Your gift, lifelong success. This is lifelong success because it's a gift that not a lot of us know that we have, and a gift that we all need to realize because that is a God-given gift. That is the power that you need to be successful, and that's all that you need is to believe in your vision and the constant view of your vision. It's a gift, and everyone has it, and it's lifelong success if you know how to use it. Those who know how to use their gift will only be rewarded by it, but those who don't know how to use their gift will only be punished by it. That is a parable that I have heard when I was a kid, and it's true. And I see it all the time in the business world, and I see it all the time with the most successful people. So you want this gift, feel your lifelong success, feel what you want for yourself, your family, your loved ones, and be grateful for it. Although you may be staring at your screen right now thinking that this is some kind of fairy tale, the truth is that you're already holding this gift in your hands right now. It's yours. That's because success has nothing to do with how much you have, how old you are, where you are, who you are, or what you've done in your past. Success is a direction that you choose. Success is a direction that you choose. So feel it, and feel it coming to you. The obvious question then is why so many people don't choose the route of success if it's as easy as choosing that path. It's the same as if you were to have tons of gold buried in your backyard without ever knowing it. It wouldn't do you any good. Unfortunately, only one or two of every 100 people recognize what they truly want in their life and are actually prepared to grab it for themselves. Most people have a self image that will not accept this idea, or they think that they will be laughed at, and which is very because the reason why a lot of people think of this is because they think of their paradigms. They think in ways that are not of what is of the supernatural. They only think of what is the natural or what is the limited. From the old mindset, from your ancestors, everyone that has that mindset of just work, will not and not believe in your vision that maybe you have that dream, maybe you have it. Hopefully, those that is the old mindset, and that's what people started to accept over time. But this is the real who you are, and the ones who are most successful use this gift. So the people think about it, the people around you, are they the millionaires? Are they the ones that you look up to? Or are the successful people the ones you look up to? Are they the ones that use their gift? Are they the ones that do things that the regular average man would do? It's just the belief in themselves and using their visualization and their God given gift within them. As Stella Man once said, if you can hold it on your head, if you can hold it in your head, you can hold it in your hand. You're going to meet resistance along the way and you're going to encounter obstacles, but we're going to prepare you to meet those obstacles head on to help you become that person that you're meant to become. Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Come and climb the mountains with us. We'll most certainly enjoy your company. Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Because in everything you do, success is going to bring you something that you gave back to somebody else. Because you serve and you will be served. You add value to what is around you, and value will come back to you in exchange of money. This is what you do because you serve in order to be served. As I don't want to sound in any kind of way, but as Jesus once said, those who serve will be served. And it is true. And it's been back way in the AD, way back before time, and to now, and forever. Because that's the way it is. It's an exchange for money. So success will come to you as long as you believe in yourself, believe in what you want to do, and believe you are worth having it because you're serving others to serve you. in exchange for money. You are worth whatever you desire. You are worth whatever you want in life. You are worth to have anything you want. You're worth to have $1 million cars, clothes, the $1 million lifestyle. You're worth your 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 feelings that you have for yourself. The feelings that you really want for yourself of life, abundance, of freedom, time, happiness. You're worth that. And all you got to do is believe it within you. We are spiritual beings. The very essence of God is the nucleus of us. Is our very own nucleus. It's all within us. We are the we are God Himself because God is within us. You are a spiritual being, I am a spiritual being. We have intellects and we live in a physical body. We are meant to be supernatural, not to be what is around us, or not to be what is controlled around our paradigms, around the limited aspects of around what is around us. Even the finances don't matter. Nothing matters. Only yourself believe in who you are and who you really are, and know that you're worth anything you want. When we begin to make rapid progress, we have roadblocks thrown up by our friends and relatives. If you are to achieve great progress, you must prevail against those closest to you. And this is true because it was true for me and it's true for everything I've seen in my lifetime. And I guarantee you if it's true for me, it's true for you. If you are to achieve great progress, you must prevail against those closest to you. You have to go farther. You have to believe in yourself. And that's it. It's nothing hard. You're not believing in yourself as if you're going against the world. You believe in yourself because at the end of the day, we are creators. We create and we get in exchange for value. That's what entrepreneurs are. We create in exchange for value and we reap the benefits. We believe in ourselves. We create for others and we serve others for others to serve us in exchange for money. We are worth anything you want in life. You are a millionaire with self-belief. You can do anything with your worthy ideal. So today, I want you to take these steps. Write down what you want. Mark a date on it. Write it down on Google Docs, on a paper, anywhere that seems best fit for you. That you can keep it on the dream. That you can keep it on you all day, either on your phone, screensaver, card, or even if you have a board, a visualization board. Wherever you go inside your house, it will be there. So you can visualize and keep it on you. Keep it on your mind and to your subconscious. Because it's what you are, it's what you believe. And meditate and visualize on it. Today I challenge you to meditate and visualize on your goal for 5 to 10 minutes. Believe, be patient, and have faith in your goal. Believe you have it. Be patient and know that it's coming. And have faith and know that it is already yours. And believe it is finished. Because it is. Whatever you can see in your mind, you can have in your hands. That's all for today. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the rest of the course. And comment below what you want to see further on. What inspires you? What makes you more? What makes you? What is your why? What is Is that what it's worth for you? Is that you the reason why you want to be that? Is it because of what's around you? Does that inspire you to be more? Is it your family? Is it your friends, your loved ones? Because at the end of the day, your worth is your why. Peace, guys.